Hi, I'm Karina Gardner, and today we're going to learn to be a designer. And learning to be a designer is just taking a few small steps in Illustrator. So we're going to make, which I love that you are making with me. Okay, so I'm using a bamboo tablet today, and I have Illustrator open, so you can see that right here on your screen. Make sure that you are in automation setup. You can do that by going to Window, Workspace, Automation. I just reset my automation so that my screen should look like yours, okay? So it's the start of the year. It's a brand new year. If you're looking at learning how to work Illustrator and Photoshop so you can start designing, this is a great place to start. Every Wednesday, I have a little tutorial for you, and the hope is to not overwhelm you, that you just learn a little bit at a time and you get more comfortable with the program so you can start designing in it. So today, I just want to introduce you, if you haven't already been introduced, to the pen tool. Pen tool is a simple tool. You can create nice, clean lines with it, and we've used it quite a bit, especially when we're building things like we've done witches hats, we've done witch shoes, we've done all those things, okay? So today we're not going to draw anything in particular. I'm just going to show you where it is, the menu, and how to use it. Okay, so super simple today. So if you come over to your pen tool, if you click Control and click on it, you should see, or you can double click with your mouse, you should see a menu. So here's my pen tool. It's should be sitting on top. Mine was showing something else. And here are the pieces that you should have with it. Your anchor point tool, your delete anchor point tool, and your add anchor point tool. Now for some reason you don't see those. You see these three little dots down here at the bottom? There are extra tools sitting in here, and for whatever reason, I don't know if Illustrator and Adobe just thought, oh, you don't use those that much. They put them in here, and you can grab things that you use and pull them. So if your delete anchor point tool is in here, which mine was like the first time I uploaded this new version, I had to grab my delete anchor point tool and pull it into this menu right here. Okay, so I'm sorry if they did that to you because it's painful whenever that happens. Okay, so pen tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to click a single time on the artboard. You can see I pulled, and I've got this blue highlight. If I hold down the shift key, it will automatically try to give me a 45-degree angle, okay? And if I click somewhere, even if it's way out in the middle of nowhere, it will still give me that degreed angle, okay, while I was holding down. Now, if I'm not holding down the shift key and I'm just looking to go somewhere, then it's not going to give me anything. It's just going to let me build and pull. Pretty cool, right? Okay. If you come to your original point and you click on it, it will end the shape. Okay. So I'm going to click it, and that ends the shape. If you want to delete anchor points or add anchor points, those are both in that pen tool menu. So if I control click on it or double click, whatever you do to get your menu out, then you can go to add anchor point, and you can see if I click anywhere here, it will add an anchor point. If I want to delete anchor points, I just click on that, and now I can come in, I'm going to delete anchor points, and you can see it substantially changes the way that thing looks. So your homework for today, if you're taking homework, is to play around with the pen tool and play around with adding and subtracting things. If you want to make something specific, go back in my Learn to Be Designer Wednesday series, because I said I have a tutorial every single Wednesday, and go do one of my things, like make a broomstick or make the shoes or whatever. There's a fence you can make. These simple iconic things will help you as you're trying to learn how to use the pen tool and other tools, okay? So hopefully this has been insightful. If you're brand new, hopefully this made you open up your software and just see what's going on so you can see it's not so scary. And of course, you can join my course VIP group. It's every single Wednesday. You can go join at karinagardner.com. And when you join, I send you the tutorials every Wednesday along with quizzes and all the other cool stuff that I've got going on. And of course, if you really want to learn to be a designer and you want like a full curriculum, go check out my site at karinagardnercourses.com and you can learn to be a fabric designer like I am, a silhouette designer. There's Illustrator Academy if you're really learning how to illustrate. There's paper design course. So there's so many things that are really packaged up in such a way that you really learn how to be that kind of designer. Okay? See you guys.